Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. I love Southern food, but I don't have enough time to spend in the kitchen for hours and hours. So I came up with a recipe for Creole chicken stew that all you have to do is put everything in a slow cooker, set it and forget it, and you'll have a delicious dinner right when you get home from work. I'll show you how it's made.
In a crock pot, add your chopped onions, garlic, green bell peppers, beans, chicken broth, diced red tomatoes, tomato sauce, and your Creole seasoning. This can be found in the recipe below. And lastly, your cayenne pepper. Then, add your chicken, then cook on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours.
Alright guys, once you're ready to serve, you're going to take 2 forks and you're going to start shredding up your chicken. If you don't like to do that, you can always take the chicken out and chop it up and put it in. Lastly, you want to taste it and see if you need to salt it or you need to put some pepper. I think the Creole seasoning is actually quite salty already, so I didn't need to add any salt, but if you like your food a little bit saltier, then I would put some salt. Lastly, sprinkle with some green onions and serve over rice or serve with some bread. It'd be really good as a sandwich also. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It's nice and hearty and a little bit spicy from the cayenne pepper. If you like this recipe, it'll be found at the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.